Finding a holiday gift that's whimsical, interactive, and exciting for all of 24 days can be really tricky, but this Lego Harry Potter Advent Calendar is daily building fun. You get 8 little minifigures, 6 creatures, 10 builds. It's a perfect countdown for Christmas. At this point, we've made it to day 18, and each day you open the little door to find a Lego build inside. You get minifigures like Harry, Draco, Angelina, Cedric, and festive little outfits, and also different supports like your jelly beans, your butterbeers, potions, letters, things of that nature. And then in addition to that, you also get your creatures. So Hedwig and Buckbear. Some of them are stationary. You got your cute, look at this owl up close, so fun. And some of the parts move, like the wings move on this. So they have different complexities of builds, but each are between like 1 inch and 2 inches high and wide and long, all pretty small, all super cute. The kit is 278 Lego pieces in all, and each day has an illustrated instruction printed behind the door. So if you're not quite sure what to do with the bag when you pull it out, you can follow along on the instructions. So here's an example. You would open it up, and on day 1, we got a little packet for Harry, and all the little pieces come included in the bag, and you just take the time to assemble piece by piece. Each day has its own separate bag, and I've disassembled it just to show you, but each little kit is represented by the picture for the figure inside of the day, and day by day you simply build them. I do think it's super cute that they have these little Christmas sweaters for the minifigures, and each day it's a little surprise. So 24 builds, and there's a nice attention to detail, literally assembling it for all the little pieces, and then once they are assembled, they all do stand up on their own. The legs move, the arms move, a typical Lego piece, and you continue day 2, day 3, on we go. So here would be an example for day 2, and this is where you have all the pieces to build Hedwig. The box is sturdy construction. I have no worries about it lasting all 24 days, and in fact, I like that you can disassemble them, put them back in the box, and reuse it again the next year. In all, I absolutely love the holiday minifigure outfits. I love the little magical creatures, 24 days of surprises, and Lego with Advent, counting down Christmas. What could be more fun? I think this is the perfect Christmas countdown for any Lego and Harry Potter fan. If this was helpful, please give it a like so I know to make more videos like this.